the reason you wrote your book, as you said a moment ago, Freedom at Risk, what's happening in the world and why you should own real estate kind of comes in together. Can you tell us about that?
So I basically, when I have folks that walk up to me and say, hey, I want to get into real estate, one of the first things I do is work with them to understand their why. We talk a lot about this in real estate conferences and, things we go to. What is your why? And so I walk them through, the first thing I do is I walk them through what I've developed and I call my real estate personality test. This is a series of, 6-7 questions, super easy questions. The answers they provide help me understand why they're looking to get into real estate. They may not be thinking about it in that way, but then we jump on a con call and we talk about it and we say, hey, you rated retirement as a number 5, a very high rated score. Number 5, retirement is my goal. And for some folks, retirement means quality of life. It may not be like, others who have legacy. Like I work with a client right now who they have 4 children. They're going to be having their 5th child. And for them, legacy is a very important thing. They want to learn real estate to be able to pass that learning on to their kids in a legacy format. So their motivation is different than other clients I've had who, they're not really wanting to learn the business so deep. They want to create just a greater quality of life in retirement, which may lean them more towards a different type of asset. So first we start to understand the why, and we start to help them understand why certain assets are better than others for them, right? Just because your brother, your sister, or your neighbor may have bought a duplex, that may be great for them, but a duplex may not be right for you. Maybe you're more suited for Airbnb or for syndication. I don't know. It's all about your why.